So we're here in Surrey, New Hampshire, and we're putting up a horse barn. It's a walk-in horse barn that Sugar River Valley Regional Technical Center in Claremont has built in a construction lab. And we have the students erecting it this morning. It's prefabricated, and little problem with site preparation. The foundation was not level when we arrived, so we tried to adjust as best we can. So, tamping down some soil, see what we can do.
Hillside first.
The high side.
Thanks. We need somebody behind us making sure we don't tip that.
Here we go.
At least one supply from two.
Here we are. We got one wall back up.
Wow, we need muscle. We're good with batteries here.
Marshall's walking. He's following the wall.
Alright, what do we need? Where do we
We need people on that side and lift it up. This side's good. Wait for Ryan, I'll tell you when, Cam. Like a neck fly. Carry this thing in there. Like,
Let me get a
drag it from here this way.
Marshall.
Thanks, Ryan. Oh shit. I took too much dirt.
What? But the front. Not the front very much. The front will set that up.
I know him.
Ben,
What?
what are we going to do about the gap between the sides?
There's also another screw that isn't doing anything.
That's a lie.
What do you want?
Oh, never mind. Yeah, there's another one.
Yeah. So I put in two screws that weren't doing anything.
And plus, what are we going to do about this gap?
Okay, is that ladder, wait a minute guys, the ladder's gonna be in the way from that wall. When it goes, hold up, the top of the ladder, is it too high? Okay,
It's more angulation in it.
let's plan ahead, okay? Not too much of an angle, you'll take a digger. Okay, everybody's gonna need some muscle over here.
Hold it up.
All right.
All right, deadlift time. Hold the ladder before I put the
Hey, Jorge, lift that side up.
Somebody get on the Cam's ladder too, please. No.
Remember, we have to go and kind of cockeyed up to it.
Yeah.
You good, Cam?
I heard that. That was a funny joke. Well, it was not. Trust cam. I'm trying not to. Oh, I got it.
Ryan, this thing.
Oh.
Set it on the ladder if you need to, guys.
Oh, you can stand it.
Alright, hold on. Let's stand up.
Okay. Okay, Marshall, you got some muscle on it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sitting on.
You get that through there. So Ryan's wall needs to come out.
Hold that.
That one.
Oh yeah, well either way.
Well, since Ryan's already over here, let's.
Yeah, let's push Ryan's out. And Ryan's is on level too.
Yeah,
so.
I know.
So Eli, push on that side.
It's almost like the bass on the level. I'm genuine. Okay, say shove to the back. Yeah.
Okay, you good? You guys are good? Good. Watch your fingers.
Well, alright. Someone push my wall.
Push it which way?
And to him, towards me. Like, there you go. More. There. Push again and hold. I got it.
Hold on. His ladder's on there too, guys. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, please.
How's it screwed? Right in the front? No, it's screwed on the
I don't want him
I can screw it.
going for a ride off that ladder.
I got it. Alright.
Alright, we're good. It's not going anywhere, guys.
Am I flush on the am I flush today?
Yes.
Yep. Good.
That good?
Yeah. Through.
So you guys can start. They can go on at any time now. Yeah. And rafters can come over, guys. That's the next step. Those long 2x6s. Should be about 12 of them.
They're numbered.
1, 2.
What?
Yes. Yes. The braces are right here, Ashley.
They'll be numbered on the top of one of the sides.
Yeah. Let's brace it.
But it's in order. With one on it, please. I'll try.
Yeah, there's.
Check in.
You have a pile over here too, guys. Yeah, that's gonna take like 2 seconds. All right. I bet number 1 is right there. One of those two.
No, it's 5 and 6.
What do you have, Gav?
Let's put one.
The one must be that unmarked one then, I guess. I didn't think I had any unmarked.
Well, this one don't fit yet.
What do you mean? What?
They both fit.
Yeah, I know.
Should fit. Hold on, Ashley. Let's make life easier for you.
He said the other one. All
right.
You want one? Yeah.
Brian, you need a ladder down there? Need a ladder down there?
Sunglasses in the dark. Don't want.
3 inch. Someone can get on the end and help Ryan with the rafters. Okay. Right now.
All the way up one
I think I need to put it all on this side.
What?
I'll put one in the front. Yeah, I'm gonna go 2 on the front. Just to be safe.
2 screws. Yeah.
It won't be until
It won't hurt.
get my ass off. Ashley, can you give me a bit for these fucking